Okay, so here's the knife. It's advertised as high carbon 420 stainless steel. For the price, you can't beat it really. I mean, it's not a terribly bad knife, for the price. The blade edge, as you can see, is pretty well sharpened. Handle's made out of plastic. It comes with a sharpener, it has a coarse and a fine side to so you can hone it, pretty sharp, Yeah, I mean it's not a bad knife. Pretty flexible, like I said. Kind of thin, but that's kind of what you want for a carving knife, Yeah, it's not a terribly bad deal.